you about a call I just got off of from someone who just found me over the internet because they have been using CGM for a while, using Levels, and then started using Freestyle Libre, and found one of my videos trying to learn how to do it herself. And this is what I do. If you are someone who, maybe you've used a CGM before, you've used Levels or Signos or something, and it just hasn't translated into better blood sugar. Maybe you just didn't know how to take action and actually improve it from the data that you saw. That is what I do. Is my mission in life is to help people become blood sugar experts, to teach you how to do it yourself. So you can book a free call with me to see what I have that's a good fit for you, or you can do my DIY program, tack on as many little support calls as you need to actually learn how to do it yourself properly. Because sometimes I find it just, for a good DIYer, it just takes one, maybe two one-on-one calls, and I can get you rolling and improving your blood sugar.